I can't wait to show you how to make the Swedish meatballs in creamy gravy. First, we're going to saute the onion. In a small saucepan, heat the butter over medium heat. When it starts to melt and foam, then you're going to add the onion and saute until soft and translucent. Now remove the onions from the pan and place in a small bowl. Set it aside. Now let's make a panade. We're going to combine in a small bowl some panko, add an egg, add some milk, give it a stir to allow the breadcrumbs to soak up all that milk. Blend it till it's a paste. To make the meatball mixture, we're going to combine beef and pork. And then we're going to add the salt and the cooled onion and some nutmeg and allspice. Add some chopped parsley and the panade. Now it's time to get our fingers dirty and mix it all together. My tip is to use some water to help keep the mixture from sticking to the palms of your hands. These meatballs are going to be about the size of a golf ball, and you're going to make about 16. In a large saucepan, heat some vegetable oil over medium-high heat. We're going to place the meatballs in an even layer to fry until deep golden brown. That's about 2 minutes. Rotate them and repeat on the other side. Remember, we're going to only fry on 2 sides to prevent them from drying. Set them aside and let's start on the sauce. Sprinkle the flour into the Dutch oven with the melted butter and give it a good whisk to get it to combine. We're going to let it toast a bit because we want it to be that nice golden brown. Now it's time to add that broth and really give it a good stir. We're going to whisk it until it's smooth. Now let's add that sour cream. Give it another stir until it's nice and smooth. Now it's time to finish cooking the meatballs. We're going to put them into the sauce and let them simmer for about 10 minutes. Simmering them in this sauce is going to make them super flavorful and tender. Make sure to adjust your heat to maintain just a simmer. Serve over buttered noodles, some lingonberry jam, and quick pickled cucumbers.